Central 221, Milepost 17.5. Thank you. Hey, my train struck something. Don't know what it was. Feels really loud.
221, you don't know what it struck?
Hey, sir.
Is it something in the, between the running rails? Was it above the train?
I can't see. I just heard that noise.
221, hold position, read back. 650 is a time break. Good morning, Bart. Passes message from the Bart Operations Control Center. Unfortunately, due to a mechanical issue, the operator is going to have to offboard your train shortly to do an inspection outside of the train. We'll keep you updated. We are going to be experiencing probably about a 5-10 minute delay in service. Apologize for the inconvenience for the operator. Thank you. 651 sometime. And 221, do you have a milepost?
17.7 and
17.7, 10-4. And I'm going to give you work orders to do a walk-around inspection. Just confirm you're holding stop button down, key off. Correct. I do indicate power on. Again, the power is on in your work area. Trains are holding out for your protection. Your own train is also holding for your own protection. You can access at 655. We need to do a walk-around inspection. See if you're able to tell what you hit and if the train's able to move. Let me know once your walk-around inspection is complete. 655.
Hey, walk out with you. Milepost 17.8, and I don't see anything at all. You want me to keep going?
Negative. We're just inspecting around your train. Let me know when you're back on the train. And the train inspection was all clear. You didn't notice any damage to the train?
I didn't check the front yet. But the sides, I didn't see anything.
Let me know once you've checked the front of the train and you're back on board. Did you have a clear board?
Hey, sir.
And 221, just make sure we're looking underneath the train as well. Did the item you struck, was it inside the interlocking 875 or was it when you were clear of 875?
Well, clear.
And there's nothing underneath your train, no damage to the train?
Yeah, nothing I can tell at the moment.